Hello, fellow Medconnect viewers. Welcome back to our channel, Medconnect. We're here today to discuss a revolutionary skincare product that has been making waves in the beauty industry, SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic. This powerful antioxidant serum has gained a loyal following due to its incredible benefits for the skin. In this blog, we'll dive into what SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic is, how it's used, its effects, any potential cons, how to use it, and some possible side effects or dangers. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, comment your thoughts, subscribe to our channel, and we wish all our viewers dealing with ovarian cysts the very best in their health journey. What is SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic? SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic is a well-known skincare product formulated by SkinCeuticals, a brand trusted by dermatologists and skincare enthusiasts alike. This product is a patented combination of powerful antioxidants, including 15% pure VitaminC L-ascorbic acid, 1% vitamin E, alpha-tocopherol, and 0.5% ferulic acid. 1. This unique blend is designed to provide advanced protection against environmental aggressors, such as UV rays, pollution, and free radicals, which can lead to premature aging and skin damage. 2. How to use SkinCeuticals. C E Ferulic using SkinCeuticals. C E Ferulic is straightforward. 3. Here's a step-by-step guide. 4. Cleanse. Start with a clean face by washing it with a gentle cleanser. Tone. If you use a toner, apply it after cleansing and allow it to dry. 1. Apply C E Ferulic. Take 4 or 5 drops of C E Ferulic and apply it to your face, neck and chest. 2. Follow with sunscreen. This serum is best used in the morning. 3. After application, don't forget to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen to maximize its protective benefits. 4. SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic effects. 5. Antioxidant protection. The primary purpose of C E Ferulic is to protect your skin from harmful environmental factors. It neutralizes free radicals, preventing damage and premature aging. 1. Brightening. With regular use, you may notice your skin becoming more radiant and even-toned. 2. This serum can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 3. Collagen production. Vitamin C in this product stimulates collagen production, which can improve skin firmness and elasticity. Sun damage repair. It can also help repair sun damage and reduce the appearance of brown spots. Hydration. The product can hydrate and soothe your skin, leaving it looking healthier. Potential side effects or dangers. While SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic is generally safe for most people, there are some potential side effects and precautions to consider. Skin sensitivity. Some individuals with sensitive skin may experience mild irritation when first using the product. It's essential to do a patch test before applying it to your entire face, and gradually introduce it into your skincare routine. Color changes. Over time, vitamin C serums may change color, typically from clear to a light yellow or brown. This is a natural process and does not necessarily mean the product has gone bad. However, if it changes color drastically or has an unusual odor, it may be best to discontinue use. Allergic reactions. While rare, some individuals may be allergic to one of the ingredients. If you experience redness, itching, or swelling, stop using the product immediately and consult with a dermatologist. Conclusion. In conclusion, SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic is a remarkable skincare product that can significantly benefit your skin. Its antioxidant properties, brightening effects, collagen-boosting capabilities, and sun damage repair make it a favorite among skincare enthusiasts. However, its higher cost and potential for initial sensitivity may not be suitable for everyone. If you're considering trying it, be sure to do a patch test and consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. We hope you found this information helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. Comment with your thoughts, subscribe to Medconnect, and share this with your friends. We wish all our viewers dealing with ovarian cysts the best of health and a brighter future for their skin. Thanks for tuning in.